I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to it was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to.
Hey guys, Cece here. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're not new, Wagwan YouTube family, I appreciate you guys for subscribing and watching weekly. Appreciate you guys. Okay guys, so if you're keeping up with the vlog, you know I'm moving, and in the last vlog I was packing, so that's what we're about to do today. Moving is a process, okay? I hate moving, okay? I don't like it. And I just moved like 9 months ago. So I feel like I just moved a week ago and now I have to move again. It's like, it's annoying. It's really annoying. So let's get some work done, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's a few days later and today is actually do or die. Okay, it's the last day. Well, tomorrow is the last day that we have in these people place. We need to come out these people place by tomorrow, which is Friday. So today's Thursday and I don't know, I just get overwhelmed. I feel like there's so much left to do still, but could you just say it's not a lot? But to me it just seems like so much. Let me show you guys around. No judgment zone, okay? Okay, I don't want to hear anything in the comments. Anyways, let me show you guys what we have left to do. Okay, so this is the bedroom. We gotta take these curtains off and these sheets so we could wash them. Okay, we already empty all our drawers and stuff like that. Closet almost empty. We just left like 1 week clothes that we were using, so I wearing this tomorrow. These could go up. TV going, of course, fan, and then this is my gym clothes for tomorrow, so that stays. Iron stay until tomorrow as well. Gotta iron my work clothes. But this is the guest room. Latte in here. Say hi, Lats. Latte. Say hey. Anyways, we're trying to figure out what we're doing with Latte because no pets allowed where we're going. And I don't know, but no pets allowed here where we were living. But she here, right? You here, right, Latte? Latte, tell them you here to stay. Anyways, no pets allowed, so we don't know how we're gonna get her in. We gotta wait a few weeks or something. That's another story. This is empty. This room is empty. Closets. Oh my god, what I'm gonna miss about this apartment is the storage. Like, you have so much storage everywhere. This is behind the door, people. Like, what? And then the closet is nice and big. I'm just gonna miss the storage. But this room is complete. I gotta clean the bathroom. This is a pile of clothes and old stuff. These throwing away. Gym shoes. And this is what we packed. Put them close to the door because we're about to load the car up and get them out. So loading the car tonight and dropping them off. These also gotta go. Latte, bag of food. This lasts long. This really lasts long. Anyways, yeah, that's how the living room looking. Stuff need to go. How the kitchen looking. Garbage gotta go. This is the rest of curtain that I need to wash. This is a load that I need to start right now. Once I finish talking to you guys, I need to wash the dishes so you don't have to see that. But cupboards are basically empty. This has stuff. These gotta go tonight. These gotta go tonight. And the packing up of the seasoning and stuff like that. I don't know, it feels like a lot to me. It sounds like a lot. Fridge. The fridge gotta clean. I gotta take these stuff out this fridge and clean the fridge. So the big task that I'm going to tackle right now is cleaning the bathroom and then cleaning the fridge. Even though we're not emptying the fridge right now, we're gonna empty it probably tomorrow. But it's just stressing me out. It's stressing me out. Anyways, guys, this bunch of shoes that we have lined up at the door as well to go. Utilize the garbage bin, put some shoes in it, but this is a clean bin. So that's it, guys. So let me just show you guys something else. Okay, guys, so in other news, I got a package today. Picked up a package today. Well, it was delivered. This is the first shipping company. This is not America. This is not the States where your stuff is just delivered at your doorstep. No. This is the Caribbean, so you still have to pay a bunch of money for courier shipping, and then you gotta go pick it up at the courier. I'm still in my work clothes, guys. Don't mind me. Yeah, pick it up at the courier. So this is the first shipping company that I know that actually delivers your stuff. Free delivery too. So they deliver it at my work. So yes, that's a plus, guys. That's a plus. Yeah, that's a plus. So let me show you guys my Temu order. What I got from Temu. Oh my god, my Temu cart is so full. I think I have over $300 and something in my cart, if not 500 or something. And for it to be that much, you know, you have hundreds of stuff in your cart, because these things are just $2. Anyways, initially I just bought this purse because I did that little spin the wheel thing. You know, they're always giving away like free stuff once you have the Temu app. Yeah, I guess you're prone to more free stuff. So when I spin my card, I got like a 50% discount, but I had to use it within 24 hours. So I said, yeah, whatever, let me use it. Okay, so I just got this pack. But when they give you the 50% off, I think they give you a bunch of items to choose from that you could get 50% off. You can't just choose anything from any category. But I found something that I could use the 50% off discount on, and I bought this bag with it. Cute little knockoff. It's cute. I'm gonna take this off, but I'm not gonna take it off right now. Let me see how inside looks. Comes with a little chain. She cute. And then the little zipper section. Yeah. So yeah, ain't nothing crazy. I must say, this is not as flimsy as I expected it to be, so that's a plus. The chain just looked extra cheap, but yeah, this is it. It could work. And I also got these for the new apartment. I decided to purchase some cushion covers for the couch. Oh my god, some African print. This is so beautiful. Like, look at this. Isn't this cute? So we have this design. And then this is another one. Cute. Another one. Oh, I love these. These are so cute. And it's a 4-piece. And yeah, I think it'll be cute. And just give a pop of color on your couch. I bought some rugs for the bathroom as well. So this is 2. They came as 1 piece, so I just bought 2. And how it looks. This is pretty flimsy, but this is the material that you could just throw in the wash when you finish. The stone print design. Yeah, so I got 2 of these for the bathroom. And that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Just the rugs, those cushion covers, and my bag. But that's how they get you, you know, because I didn't want to spend no money. Then you give me 50% off. Was it 50 or 90? I don't remember. So that's how they get you, as I was saying. They give you a little discount percentage off, and then you jump on it and go and buy stuff that you wasn't gonna buy in the first place. But I can't wait to use these, and I'm going with a more neutral tone for this apartment. Let me get to work, guys. I have so much stuff to do. I right here chilling like I ain't got stuff to do. I gotta work. Let me go spray out this bathroom so it could air out, and start the loads that I'm going to wash, and then clean the fridge. And then by that time, Khadija will be here, and then we could load the car up, drop those stuff off, come back home, bathe, shower, relax, and then I have to work. I have overtime work to do. So I'm gonna be up until after 12 tonight. Okay guys, so this is the final walkthrough. This was the master bedroom. The light is already off, so this bathroom, guest room, everything nice and clean. Kitchen. Stove clean. Cupboards empty. Living room. This is just my stuff that I'm going to grab right now. Waiting for the landlord so we could exchange key. I could give her back the key. And that's it. Goodbye to this apartment. Goodbye. It was good and bad. But yeah, on to the next.